How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our direct control box, and I'm using our MultiColor Virtue-8 in a red, blue, amber color combination here, for example. Now you'll notice on my direct control box that will plug in via connector here for my Virtue-8, and then I have my SIG plug here for power. Now on my direct control box, I have my power button, and you'll see my unit is activated in warning mode. And then I have my pattern changer here, so I can cycle through my different flash patterns. I can find a pattern I'd like. And then this unit does have memory recall, so you can shut your unit off and back on, and it'll remember the last pattern it was on. And since this is a multicolor unit, you can run your unit in your multicolor flash patterns, your primary color, which would be red-blue on this unit, or your amber color flash patterns, which would be your secondary color. So you can run your unit in your multicolor, your primary, or your secondary color flash patterns, and that's done with the built-in flash patterns here. Now let's go ahead and go over our traffic advising functions. So moving down here, we have our center out, we have our left right and right left functions. Now same concept here, you can run your traffic advisor in your multicolor flash patterns, your primary or secondary color flash patterns. So you'll see if I'm in my traffic advising mode, I can hit my pattern button here, and you'll see you have a few different styles of flash patterns here. So you'll see I have 3 in multicolor, and then past these I'll have 3 in my primary color. So you'll see I'm running just red, blue here in pattern 1, pattern 2, and then pattern 3. And then past these, I'll have my amber color flash patterns. So let's go ahead here. You'll have your amber flash pattern 1, pattern 2, and then pattern 3. And I'll go ahead and leave it on my all amber for my center out here. Now let's go ahead and go over to our left right. Now you'll see here I have my left right function activated. Now same concept applies. You have your multicolor flash patterns. So you'll have pattern 1, pattern 2, and then pattern 3 here. And you'll see they'll do their sweep in their primary and then the secondary color flash pattern. Then past those I have my primary color flash patterns, so red, blue, and then red, blue here for pattern 2, and then pattern 3. Now say I wanted my left right function to stay red, blue, and I wanted my center out function to stay in amber. I can easily cycle back to my center out, and you'll see it's an all amber flash pattern. And then you'll see I can go to my other traffic advising feature and it's in red, blue. Or if you wanted to program your traffic advisor as amber and then you wanted to program a red, blue flash pattern for your warning mode, you could also do that as well. Now moving down here, you have your slow to fast function. Now that will change the speed of your flash pattern. So you'll see I'm in slow mode here, and I can easily flip that over to my fast mode. So it just makes the flash patterns faster, and that's slow or fast. And that works in your warning mode or while you're in your traffic advisor. So you'll see it's in its fast mode there, and then back to slow. And you'll see that it's saving memory per your position for my center out, my left, right, and my warning mode. Or if I go to my right, left, you'll see I still have a multicolor flash pattern programmed there. And then let's go ahead and go back to warning mode here, for example. Now up here you have your Aux button. Now you can hook up to 10 amps of extra lighting all off of your Aux switch here. So I went ahead and brought one of our MultiColor Z8s in a red, blue, amber color. And you'll see I can easily activate that light off of my Aux button here. Now I went ahead and programmed my Z and found a flash pattern I liked, and then I went ahead and hooked up the power cables to my positive and negative coming off my Aux line here. And so I can easily activate that light on or off using my direct control. And your Aux button will activate those lights separately of your direct control unit. So you'll see I can easily activate my Z only, or I can activate my light bar only, or I can activate them both. So you'll see you have that functionality as well with our direct control box. So that covers our direct control box paired with our MultiColor Virtue-8. Make sure to check out our interactive players and watch our product demos and flash pattern videos on the product pages to see all of the flash patterns that are included with these units. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.